Today we're going to be talking about farm owners insurance. I hope you enjoy. Farm owners insurance is an interesting animal. Oftentimes people think, well, what's the difference in it and say homeowners insurance? We're trying to insure a house, maybe some buildings, things like that. And it's significantly different as the way that the insurance industry rates it. As a matter of fact, because it's so different, there are far fewer carriers that will delve into the farm exposure. But they are significantly different. There are some similarities, but there are also significant differences. So it's important, if you have farm exposure, that you understand those differences and you make sure you've got the proper coverage. One particular example revolves around outbuildings. So as a farmer, a person may have buildings that they store their equipment in and things like that. So it's used for a farm use. Well, if you look at a standard homeowners policy, in relation to the automatic coverage that you get for outbuildings or appurtenant private structures, it will have an exclusion on it that says this coverage specifically excludes any buildings used in whole or in part for farming or business operation. So it could be a very rude awakening or realization if you have a storm blow down your farm building and you had homeowners insurance, only to find out when the adjuster comes out there that they're going to deny the claim because it is excluded under the homeowner's policy. When you have a farm owner's policy, you have specific Section 4 farm outbuildings that is specifically designed to cover those things. That's just one specific area. When you think about it, a farm is a business. And so you're trying to develop coverage that's semi-personal and semi-commercial. And then you get a little bit more muddying of the water in that you have somebody that maybe has a full-time job and they're just a gentleman farmer. They just piddle with it. They do it because they enjoy it. There are ways to address that possibly on a homeowner's contract with an endorsement. It depends on the carrier. But again, it's important to know what are your exposures, because the worst time to find out what your coverage is at claim time. Liability exposures are different. You may have farm equipment that you want covered on your policy that a homeowner's policy is just not designed to address. Balers, tractors, things of that nature. Just understand if there's any farm, even if you piddle with it a little bit, it's important to understand what your coverage will as well as what it won't do. If you have questions about this or anything else that's related to insurance, risk management, those types of things, don't hesitate to give Terry or myself a call here at Westside Advisors and Insurance Services. I hope you have a great week.